Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages it doesn't really matter, just have it on the screen. And here basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings in your device in this place, no worries, 3 dots icon, and here they should appear. You will be able to tap on them, hold them and drag them to this section here to of course have much faster access to them. So let's enter the settings, let's enter the languages. And as you can see, here we've got the list of all previously added languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty, really plenty of options to choose from. So let me find the language, and basically this is all you have to do. So let's find the language you'd like to add and tap on it, and let me pick something like maybe Hebrew. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping you will be transferred to this section in which you will be able to pick the keyboard type. So let's say regular one and the handwriting. Sometimes for example, like here in the Hindi, after tapping you will be able to pick the region. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the language, I mean on the region you'd like to use. Here you can pick the type of the keyboard, and I will pick this one, for example. As I said, sometimes you will have only 2 options to choose from. Here we've got 4 different languages, I mean keyboards. So let's tap on done if you're ready, and as you can see, here we've got the Hindi language added. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check, and basically here we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which is a language key and which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can easily switch to the Hindi one. Let's tap on it again, and again English. So as you can see, it's quite easy to add the language. And now let me show you how to remove the language from this list. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we would like to remove, and in my case I will remove the Hindi one and tap on the trash bin icon. We've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And here we've got the keyboard. As you can see, the spacebar is empty, and also we cannot find the language key. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Realme 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.